What's up, Mazdaspeed people? I want to show you guys how to connect your oil pressure gauge and oil temperature gauge from a corksport. So we're gonna start with the adapter plate. The oil adapter plate, I'm using the corksport one for the sensors. So you run those wires to the gauges and through the firewall using the hood latch hole, which is right there. So these are the wires right here. Disconnect your battery just to be safe, and then you're gonna be using some extra wire for the amber light. So once the wires are through the firewall, you're gonna run them up here to this fuse panel. So after that, you connect your gauges. If you're gonna run two gauges, you're gonna have to use the daisy chain wire, which it connects to both of the gauges, and one power wire. So after that, you make a hole on the vent right there on the corner, and then you run the wires down to the fuse panel. So after that, you ground your black wire from the power wire. So you ground it right there, and then the red wire from the power wire goes to the fuse adapter, and the white wire from the power wire goes to the other fuse adapter. You're also gonna be using two 5-amp fuses, and then the extra wire that I said earlier, you're gonna run it across and to the glove box light. So your glove box light works automatically on and off. So that's the wire coming up right there. There, and then I'm going to show you guys how everything works once it's connected. So I got my gauges right there. I'm using the late night racing gauge pod by the way. So these are my gauges. That's accessories.